Welcome back, data enthusiasts. In today's video, we have an exciting offer that will revolutionize the way you visualize and analyze data. Are you ready to dive into the world of Tableau and become a data visualization maestro? Well, hold on tight because we are about to introduce you to a game-changing opportunity. Imagine having access to a complete Tableau self-learning course with an astonishing 98% discount. Yes, you heard that right. It's an exclusive offer that will allow you to master Tableau at a fraction of the cost. But that's not all, you can learn at your convenience, on your own terms. Benefits. In this comprehensive course, you'll unlock the secrets of Tableau's data visualization wizardry. From beginner-friendly tutorials to advanced techniques, you'll gain the skills to transform raw data into visually stunning insights that captivate your audience. You'll receive instant access to the course materials via Google Drive. No more waiting for shipments or delayed deliveries. You can start learning Tableau right away. Key features. Learn Tableau at your own pace and on your own schedule. Create captivating charts, graphs, and interactive dashboards. Analyze complex data sets to uncover valuable insights. Instantly download the course material from Drive upon payment completion. Receive a mind-blowing 98% discount. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to become a Tableau pro. With our exclusive offer, you can unlock the power of data visualization and take your skills to the next level. Download link given in the description below. Thank you.